Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Fashion with Bana. If you love stylish hair clips as much as I do, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and trends. Let's get started. Today, we're exploring some of the cutest and most versatile hair clip accessories. Whether you are looking for something to add a touch of elegance to your look or a fun pop of color, there's a hair clip for every style. First up, we have these classic pearl hair clips. They're perfect for adding a sophisticated touch to any outfit. You can wear them with a simple ponytail or a sleek updo for an effortlessly chic look. Next, let's talk about vibrant and colorful clips. These are great for making a bold statement and adding some fun to your hairdo. They come in various shapes and sizes, from flowers to butterflies, making them perfect for any occasion. If you're into a more minimalistic style, simple metallic clips are your go-to. They are sleek, modern, and can be paired with almost any outfit. Whether you're going for a professional look or something casual, these clips are incredibly versatile. Thanks for watching. Which hair clip style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check the description box for links to order these amazing hair clips. See you next time on Fashion with Bana.